Hello everyone, welcome to MIT ADT Podcast. Today we have Professor Tushar Panke from SOFA. He is the HoD of Applied Arts.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
Welcome. Thank you.
Sir, what are the major taken cares as this is a fine arts? So how you deal with the research work?
Yeah, so basically most of the time the people they are thinking about the fine arts is just belongs to the painting and the creation of the
Correct.
crafts. But it is a completely developed process. There is a research is most important. Unless and until you don't know how the craftsmanship has developed from our ancestors, the journey is there. So student can't understand that how they are going to create the things. So we focus to research from prehistory to the contemporary artist, and we guide them what exactly the Western art culture, how the Indian art culture is there. So they have to study and they can apply that study in their art forms. So
Okay.
research is the best for to create the crafts.
Okay. So, sir, it's said that arts is arts, but what is actually a fine arts and the applied arts? There's a basic difference, I think.
Yes, it's a very good question because fine arts most of the there is a freedom of expression that we can say, because every creative person they have perceptions and their creativity. But in applied arts, whatever you perceive through your research, through your observation, that has to be a apply. It's an application of art.
Correct.
So that application art you can convey through the communication media. Any art forms which having some applications that converts into the communication, that's called the applied arts. So these are the major difference between fine arts. There is a freedom, and in applied arts there is only the application, whatever the observation is there.
Okay. So, students get some opportunities outside the world
Yes.
after getting completed their graduations?
Yes. In applied arts, what we have a unique, we have designed a unique syllabus. It's a traditional for the first 2 years, but after that 2 years, they have to when they are developing their portfolios, we connected with the industries. In their 8th semester, it's a semester-based program. In 8th semester, they got opportunity to work with the industry directly. So there will be a no gap between industry and the academics. So they will understand hands-on experience they will get, and they can uh, get a very easy into the gateway into the industries.
Okay.
So that is the opportunity what we provide apart from the traditional Bachelor of Fine Arts degree program.
Okay. So, thank you so much, sir. We'll
Yes.
get back to you soon. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Thank you.